Hey frogs! Today we're going to continue practicing subtraction. I have some pom-poms today that I'm working with to tell some subtraction stories. So my first story, this is always my favorite subtraction story. I have 7 cookies. I have 7 cookies. And Cameron came and Cameron ate 3 of my cookies. Cameron ate 3 of my cookies, so we're going to make 3 cookies go away because Cameron ate 3 of them. How many cookies do I have left? Yeah, I have 4 cookies left. Because 7 take away 3 equals 4. Good. Now I have 6 pieces of candy. And my 6 pieces of candy, Jace decides that he would like to eat some of my candy. So Jace comes and eats 4 of my candies. So I had 6, but Jace ate 4 of them. And now, how many candies do I have left? Yeah, I have 2 candies left because 6 take away 4 equals 2. Today, now this time, I have, I dropped a pom-pom. I have 8, I think. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 cotton candies that I bought. And I'm going to share my cotton candy. So I have 8. And I'm going to give 2 to Olivia. I'm going to give Olivia 2 of my cotton candies. How many cotton candies do I have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 cotton candies left because 8 take away 2 equals 6. Well, now that I have 6, I want to share some more of my cotton candy. So now I have 6 cotton candy. I'm going to give 1 to Ariana. So if I take 1 more cotton candy away, how many cotton candy do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because 6 take away 1 equals 5. And now I have 5 cotton candy. I'm going to give 2 to Marcel. That way he can share with Eli. I'm going to take 2 away and give them to Marcel. How many do we have left now? 1, 2, 3. So 5 take away 2 equals 3. Okay, now I only have 3 cotton candy. I have 3 cotton candy. I'm going to take 1 and I'm going to give it to, I think I'm going to give 1 to Matthew. How many cotton candy do I have left? 3 take away 1 equals 2. Now I only have 2 cotton candies left. So now we're going to start with 2. And I'm going to take 1 cotton candy away. And I'm going to give it to Nathan. I gave my cotton candy to Nathan. Because 2, and then how many do I have left now? Yep, just 1. Because 2 take away 1 equals 1. Great job helping me today with my cotton candy. we are going to do something a little bit different. We're going to think about our subtraction a little bit differently today in our book. So let me get my book out. Here's my book. I have some vegetables growing in my garden. And it wants me to look at the picture and color my vegetables over here to match the ones that are in my garden. So I'm going to look at the squash first. I have 2 green squash. So I'm going to get out my green crayon and I'm going to use my fast math coloring today. And I'm going to color 2 squash green, 1 squash. And I'm just using my fast math coloring because it doesn't have to be perfect when we do math. I colored 2 of my squash green. And then I have some yellow ones. Count how many yellow are there. 1, 2. I have 2 yellow squash. So I'm going to get out my yellow crayon. And I'm going to color. Oh, you can't see that yellow crayon. Do I have another yellow? I do. I'm going to use this yellow orangey color. It's still kind of hard to see, but I have 2 squash that I made yellow. And now I'm going to write the numbers in the boxes below. So I have how many green squash? 1, 2. So I'm going to write 2 in the box. And I have how many yellow squash? 1, 2. So I'm going to write 2 next to the yellow squash. So now I could practice. And I know that if I have 4, if I take away my green squash, how many squash do I have left? I have 2. So I know that 4 take away 2 equals 2. I'm going to write that number sentence over here. 4 take away 2 equals 2. We could do it the other way too. I have my 4 squash. I'm going to take my 2 yellow away. And then how many green do I have? Yeah, now I have 2 green. So our number sentence would say the same for each one of those. 4 take away 2 equals 2. Now I'm going to look at the peppers. It looks like I need a green and a red crayon for my peppers. So I'm going to get out my green and my red. Nope, that one's pink. My crayon box doesn't have a red. Oh, this one will work. So I'm going to count the green peppers. So look up here. How many green peppers are there? 1, 2. So I'm going to color 2 peppers green. And then I'm going to look for the red peppers in my picture. How many red peppers are there? 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to color my other peppers red. 1, 2, 3. And then I can think about the number sentences I can make with my peppers. So how many peppers do we have all together? First off, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 peppers. How many are green? We need to write that number in the box. Yeah, 2 of them are green. How many are red? Yep, we're going to write that number in the box. So I have 3 red. So if I have 5 peppers to start, I'm going to write my number sentence. So I'm going to start with my 5 peppers. I took my 2 green away, and I take my 2 green away. How many peppers do we have left? Yeah, I have 3 red ones left. Now I'm going to look at it the other way, and this time our number sentences aren't going to be the same, so I'm going to write a second number sentence. So if I have 5 peppers, and I took the 3 green ones away. How many peppers do I have left? Yeah, I'm going to take 3 away this time, and I have 2 left. Good, so we know that 5 take away 2 equals 3, and 5 take away 3 equals 2. Good job. Now, they showed us a slightly different way to look at that. They gave us a number bond. And they put our 4 at the top because we had 4 squash. So that was our big number, our whole number. And then we took 2 away. So I could take 2 green or I could take 2 yellow. So if I know there are 2 green squash, that's in my number bond. So I'm going to circle it because that's what they gave me. Then how many are left? Yeah, I have 2 more, so I need to write that number in my number bond. And I know that 4 take away the 2 equals what? Yeah, it equals 2. And then we're going to do the same thing. So we have 5 peppers. We had 5 peppers. So they put 5 up here in our whole number. And remember, the whole number always goes where the 2 lines come into it. So 5 was our whole number. We had 5 peppers. And then they took away 3. They gave me 3, so I'm going to circle that part. They gave me the 3. I know that those 3 are already counted in my number bond. And they wrote it in the number sentence for us. And then how many peppers are left? We have our green peppers left. How many are there? Yeah, there's 2. Because 5 take away 3 equals 2. Great job today. There are some practice pages if you want to continue working on this subtraction. Go ahead and have somebody pull them up for you. I hope you had fun working on subtraction today. Bye.